Welcome to Track 1, How to Become a Therapist. This track is for you if you are not a therapist. It's as simple as that. No matter what stage of your career or your life you're in, if you are interested in becoming a licensed mental health professional at a master's level, this track is for you. I walk you through every step of the process, from choosing a graduate school, getting the most out of graduate school, to licensing requirements and supervision and indirect and direct clinical hours, and even your first clients and your first therapy job, building a resume. I mean, really just every step of the process. And for me, the really special part about this course is that I'm not just talking about the external practical steps, but I'm talking a lot about the internal emotional processes that we as baby clinicians go through. And I wish someone did this for me when I was first becoming a therapist at 24 years old. So if you are interested in becoming a clinician in the field of mental health, this track is definitely for you.